Are you ready to discover one of the most promising investments in crypto today? If you have extra cash sitting around and you're looking for a high-potential long-term play, then you need to hear this. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why XRP could be a game-changer for investors like you. I'm going to get straight to the point. I strongly believe that anyone with $11,000 available should consider investing in an XRP and holding it for the long term. Now, let me be clear, I'm not addressing those who have rent due, who can't afford to set aside $1.00 for an investment. If you have bills like a mortgage or car payment that need to be covered, then this message isn't for you. But if you have an extra $1,000 that you're looking to invest, I can't provide financial advice, but I can share what I've learned about XRP. And everything I've researched leads me to believe it's an outstanding long-term opportunity. I encourage you to conduct your own research to verify this for yourself. In this video, I'll provide key points to explore. Many investors have already put their money into XRP. If you're one of them, type XRP in the comments. Now, let's dive in. We touched on this yesterday. There's growing speculation about an XRP ETF becoming a reality. If this happens, it would allow people to include XRP in their retirement accounts, which is a major development. If you haven't looked into this yet, I strongly recommend researching it further. Now, I want to teach you something important. We've been analyzing XRP for a while now, and this marks the 21st time we've accurately predicted movements in its price. Except for one instance where we were off by a mere penny. Our predictions have been spot on every single time. This isn't about bragging, it's about recognizing that XRP has become one of the most consistently predictable cryptocurrencies. And let's be real, predictability in crypto is rare, despite market fluctuations. XRP has shown remarkable reliability. Of course, at some point, we'll get a prediction wrong. But today is not that day. So, why do I personally believe XRP is a great investment for those with at least $1,000 to spare? The answer lies in its expanding network. My research shows that XRP is making it easier for banks to facilitate international money transfers. You might be wondering, how does this impact me? Let's break it down. XRP isn't meant to be used like cash for everyday transactions. Instead, it's designed for banks and major financial institutions to conduct business seamlessly. Let's say Bank of America needs to interact with a bank in London. They deal with different currencies, perhaps USD and the euro. Transferring money across borders involves fees, exchange rates, and delays that typically take up to 5 days. Now, here's something important to understand. Banks currently rely on a system called SWIFT. Look this up, it's the backbone of international bank transactions. SWIFT transfers typically take 5 business days and cost between $10 and $30 per transaction. In contrast, XRP accomplishes the same task almost instantly and at a fraction of the cost, just a penny per transaction. Imagine the impact of that efficiency. Think about it, when you wire money, it can take several days and incur fees. Banks deal with the same issue but on a much larger scale. SWIFT, which stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, has been the standard for decades. However, its high costs and slow processing times make it outdated compared to XRP's blockchain-based solution. Instead of $10 or $30 per transaction, XRP allows banks to process international payments in mere seconds for just a penny. If you were handling 100 transactions, would you rather pay $1,000 in fees or just $1? The choice is clear, and that's why banks have strong incentives to adopt XRP. Beyond that, XRP is growing its influence. Its partnerships and regulatory relationships give it a significant advantage over competitors. For instance, major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq are preparing to list an XRP ETF, making it even more accessible for investors. Additionally, Ripple, the company behind XRP, has actively engaged with regulators and key players in the financial sector. You may have heard about the contributions they made to the US presidential inauguration. This indicates they are positioning themselves well within the financial system, ensuring that XRP has strong backing and legitimacy. Now, let's talk about investment strategy. If you have bills to pay, prioritize those first. But if you have extra funds that you can afford to invest long-term, 5 years or more, XRP is looking like a solid bet. Recently, we've seen $34 million in XRP inflows, causing its price to surge from around $1.20 to nearly $2.80, with current levels hovering around $2.60 to $2.70. Investor interest remains high, with buy orders clustering in the $2 to $2.20 range. If you